holiday. We're in the land of Texas where the stars are bright and bold, ready for the greatest story that has yet been told. We gathered round the table, a fellowship so grand, to play a game of legend, spreading hope across the land. The quest begins tonight, a brand new fantasy, with the minister and prayer warrior Dale and Cathy. He's striking chords of glory, his guitar alive and keen, while she's the guiding light behind the royal scene. Josh the music master, a bard of wit and grace, with Hannah the lawyer photographer setting a fearsome pace. We've got a rocket scientist calculating every move, that's Donnie bringing NASA knowledge, proving he can groove. His wife Sarah is the kindest teacher with a cat named Zorro. She'll heal a wounded warrior before the sun tomorrow. The legend master Jonathan, who holds the story's key, and Heather the massage therapist brings healing energy. Cat named Smokey, who guards the sacred die, while Julie keeps the family fed beneath the Texas sky. And Donald Sear, the logistics genius, he charts the wagon route. He's getting us the treasure without a single doubt. We're beloved pairs of heroes, the greatest crew on earth, celebrating family, adventure, and more. Forget the orcs and goblins, embrace the princess bride. We've got true Texas power in which we can abide. The dice are clicking loud, the laughter fills the air, for they're heroes of Providence eternal, showing how much we care. We're ready for adventure, the quest, the shining crown. We're building up a legend in this little Texas town. It's a mighty triumph for the family and for fun. Grab your sword and thank the Lord. Here the first quest is begun. But